Welcome to SmartScope. This is your friendly space for learning science in a simple and fun way. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey of discovery. Let's dive into today's topic. Photosynthesis made easy.
Today, we are going to learn about photosynthesis, the magical process that helps plants make their own food. We'll break it down step by step so it's super easy to understand. Let's begin. Photosynthesis is a process that happens in green plants. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. This food is a type of sugar called glucose. And guess what? They also release oxygen, which we breathe. So, thanks to photosynthesis, we get food and air. Here's the simple equation for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight on glucose plus oxygen. In scientific terms, 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus sunlight, C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. This shows how 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 of water with sunlight create sugar and oxygen. Plants do this every day. Amazing, right? Photosynthesis happens inside plant cells, especially in a part called the chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. That's what gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and starts the photosynthesis process. Most of this happens in the leaves of the plant. Photosynthesis is super important because it provides food for plants, animals, and humans. It produces oxygen, which we need to breathe. It helps remove carbon dioxide from the air, keeping our planet balanced. It supports the entire food chain. Without photosynthesis, life on Earth wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much for watching this video on photosynthesis. If you learned something new today, please like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to SmartScope for more fun science videos. See you next time.